Hand claps are a natural means of human interaction. Clapping is used in different contexts throughout the world to convey information through sound. Humans are good at interpreting this sonic information and are able to attach emotional and aesthetic meanings to the sound. Also, our reactions to perceived clapping are natural. Wouldn't you like your computer to listen and react to your clapping too? We present a new kind of interface for interacting with your computer using hand clap sounds as input. Instead of simple discrete commands like turning on the lights, this interface gathers higher level information from the clapping, such as the tempo of clapping and the type of individual hand claps. All that is needed is a computer with a microphone, some audio signal processing, and you to clap your hands. The user's hand clap sounds are used as audio input to the system. The audio signals are analyzed first to detect individual hand claps, which are analyzed further by estimating the clapping tempo. It is also possible to infer the type of the hand claps, as different hand configurations result in different sounds. The clapping tempo and clap type can then be mapped to application-specific functions. To close the loop of sonic interaction, the application sounds are fed back to the user. We now present examples of this interaction. I can control a sampler with hand claps. And I can control the playback of different samples with different hand clap types. I can also play the samples in a loop. I can control the tempo of the loop with one hand clap type. And I can stop or start the loop with the other hand clap. I can also control tempo of music. In the future, it will be interesting to examine the dynamics of cyclic interaction in rhythmic contexts. Also, expanding the system to respond to a larger variety of sonic gestures will increase its utility and possibilities. Finally, the most important future work will be studying the use of the interface in new applications such as audio-based multiplayer games.